I've just finished day 22 of insanity. Although we did have to switch up a little thing because we were supposed to do pure cardio and cardio abs, but what I did was a plyometric cardio circuit. True by, as you may know, where I live, we don't really have floor and those type of things. We have a lower part of the house, but floor is a very strong word. And somebody live under there, so and me hear him like him down there, I've guessed, and so some never really want to jump up and down on him head top for like an hour. Me decide to just jump up and down for 42 minutes, which I think was very kind of me. I think it was very, very pleasant of me to do that. Otherwise, the workout went well. I am employing my go hard and then fall out embarrass method, and it is working very good. I go hard for the first circuit, and then I drop on the ground and I cry, and then I get up and I go hard for the next half of the circuit, then I drop on the ground and I cry, and then I go hard for the quarter of the next circuit, and then I drop on the ground and I cry. I think that for the first time in my life, I've actually done a proper jumping jack, meaning usually when I do the jumping jack, my legs are moving in a very virginal fashion, as in like just down here, so separate, like nothing I really going on right here. So now I'm like spring, 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 them type of something there, because now when I get out, I just like jump, bounce, and come back in. So little bit of fitness I come, I still don't like Shaun, but it's working. Yes. The one thing that I really want to understand about Shaun is Shaun's concept of time. How does that work? Because I am doing the workout and the little thing down the bottom says I have 11 minutes left. And Shaun said we're almost there. 11 minutes is not a short period of time. It's certainly not a short period of time when I'm jumping up and down and sweating. In 11 minutes, you can drive several miles. In 11 minutes, a child can be born. In 11 minutes, one man can impregnate several women not using in vitro, as in it can bust, rest, get it up, and bust again in 11 minutes. That's not a short period of time, Shaun. So don't bother telling me that. You see, when we reach to the cool down section, then you can tell me we're almost there. And it's me one. Am I the only one who has very low expectations on my body? Like when my body can do the most basic of things, I'm shocked. Like if I'm going into the hip flexor thing and I can actually get that part of my leg for stay straight and then that part of actually bend back so it turns. I mean one shock when we can do it. Like me I look at my leg and I say, yeah, my leg put up fitness and it might just only be me. I don't have no expectations of my body, honestly. I got my arm to carry me. I'm gonna say 2/8. Two what's 2/8? No, that sounds like a quart. No, less than that. No, 1/8. 1/8 of a way down. I got my arm to carry me 1/8 of a way down to the ground, and I was applauding myself. I actually gave my arm a kiss. I was like, check out these guns because that doesn't usually happen to me. Anyway, so day 22 done. As it me tell you, so the thing gets sporadic, but we're going through. So if you stop now, just stop back because we are not stopping until it is done. See, we nearly reached the part here. The part here now. And like I tell you, because I've been through insanity already, I know there's no recovery in here. There's no recovery in here. By the time this done, all are in your grind and them something will kill you. But it's worth it. So we're going. We're going. I'm turning 30 at the end of this week. I am determined to finish the week worth of things by the time I turn 30. So work with me. We're doing it every day regardless, even tomorrow. Yeah? Okay. Boom face. Bye.